For a desired application, we should start with specific design targeted to particular application, and we need to work on the implementation to reach that particular application. It is a application derived, means application specific integrated circuit. The typical components in ASIC: I/O pads, core logic, memory, eyepiece, metal layers. If you take any typical IC, you can see these components. I/O pads, these are inputs and outputs of the chip. A chip has these inputs. These inputs and outputs will connected to the external world and to our internal logic, core logic. Core logic is main functionality of your design and chip, mainly the digital gates. In your academic side, you studied about AND gate, OR gate, all those is a part of this functionality of the design is built with digital gates. That is called core logic. Memories, every chip required some memory. Those memories generally with SRAMs. Those are all called hard macros. And eyepiece, depends upon your design requirements. You can have different eyepiece. I am taking one example, PLL, phase locked loop, which is helping you to generate the clock for your system. Similarly, you have other IPs like USB, DDR. Depends upon your application, we can choose the required IPs for your chip or ASIC.